Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to the Bulls and Bears Small Cap Wrap, where we break down the latest ASX announcements from public companies that are doing interesting things. Today's Small Cap Wrap is brought to you by Blackstone Minerals, ASX code BSX. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now on 6PR by the Managing Director of Blackstone Minerals, Scott Williamson. Hi, Scott.
Hi, Matt. Thanks for having me.
Well, Blackstone Minerals is furiously working its Ta Qua nickel-copper project in Vietnam that was mined by a previous owner between 2013 and 2016, when the operation was eventually mothballed due to the low nickel price of the day. Since then, Blackstone has seen some extraordinary success with the drill bit, and the nickel price has almost doubled, and this project is looking remarkably different. Scott, you've just started to drill your Banchang prospect at the project. It's about 2.5 kilometres from the mothballed mine. I see you've been able to announce some good intercepts in the last week. What are the headline drill numbers at Banchang?
Yeah, so Banchang, we've just announced hole 4, and we hit 13 metres running 1% nickel, 1% copper, and 1 gram per tonne in the PGEs, which is the platinum plus palladium plus gold. So it's a magmatic nickel sulfide, and that hole also hit up to 2.5% nickel in a broader package of 21 metres worth of sulfide. So yeah, it's our best hole at Banchang so far, and Banchang is the first of our 25 targets we're going to test. So we're pretty excited about the geology.
Is Banchang a new prospect, or have you been drilling it for a while? And just how big is the mineralised envelope, do you think, at Banchang?
Started drilling Banchang about 3 months ago, and so it is a new target. It's about 1.2 kilometres long so far. So we're using the modern day geophysics, which the previous owners weren't using. So we've got EM anomalies saying that we're 1.2 kilometres long and we're hitting up 21 metre wide intersections. It's a decent little asset there at Banchang.
And I know closer to the mothballed mine, you've got your King Cobra prospect that's been throwing up some really good numbers. What are the best drill results out of King Cobra?
We recently announced 47 metres at 1% nickel, and that's very shallow, high-grade disseminated sulfide within a big, broad disseminated ore body, which is the Banfook ore body. It's a great number. It's shallow, it's high-grade. We also hit 75 metres at 0.8% nickel, so we're consistently getting big, broad width, and we're getting high-grade within it up to 7.5% nickel as well. So yeah, on a gold equivalent basis, we're sort of saying that this is around 2 to 3 grams per tonne in people that understand gold.
When you purchased the Ta Qua project, it came gift-wrapped with a mothballed mine, didn't it? Just how much of a financial head start does that give you?
Previous owners sunk $136 million US into the infrastructure, so that's a great starting point. We've got a 450,000 tonne per annum concentrator, modern mechanised mine. So this mine has been built as if it was in Australia, built by Australian metallurgists, Australian mining engineers. So it gives us a great start.
Scott Williamson from Blackstone Minerals, thanks very much for joining me on the Small Cap Wrap. Just remember, Bulls and Bears is only here to give you information, not advice, which you should of course seek independently. I'm Matt Birney. Thanks for listening to the Bulls and Bears Small Cap Wrap.
For more public company CEO interviews, go to the Money page at 6pr.com.au and click the Public Companies tab.